गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट। मैं अमित वशिष्ठ, प्रोग्रामिंग गुरु। आज पुनः आप लोगों के डिमांड पर एक न्यू सेशन के साथ उपस्थित हूँ। टुडे आई विल डिस्कस अबाउट डाटाबेस कनेक्टिविटी पार्ट 2, हाउ टू कनेक्ट database with PHP. That means at last video I have already discussed about connection of PHP with database. For this purpose we can utilize data source name. That means DSN. For DSN we can use 4 components, 4 variable. First one is server name, second one is username, third one is password, and fourth one is database name. For establish the connection, there is no need of database name. We can establish the connection with the help of 3 parameters. First one is server name, second one is username, and third one is password. By default, MySQL and PHP server name is localhost, and username is root, and password should be empty. So we can establish the connection with the help of one inbuilt method, which name is mysql_connect. It is an inbuilt function. It will allow to establish the connection with front-end tool, with back-end tool, and we can store mysql dot connect method in one variable, which name is $con, and in $con equal to mysql I_connect, and we can pass 3 parameters. First one is server name, second one is username, and third one is password. Then we can check connection is established or not. For this purpose we can utilize the boolean condition if SQL, then curly braces open. If establish the connection, then echo connection should be connected. Otherwise else, and we can utilize another predefined method, which name is die method. Die method find the critical error and also terminate the script. So with the help of die method we can find the error. So die parenthesis start error connection, then parenthesis band or semicolon, and then curly braces close. Then connection will be established. Then we can use one variable, which variable name is SQL, and with the help of this variable we can create a table. All students, you know how to create a table. The syntax of create table is create table name, parenthesis start, column name 1, data type size, column name 2, data type size, and column name n, data type size, then parenthesis close and semicolon. So we can use here $SQL equal to double quotation create table student info, parenthesis start student roll number, int, comma, student name, variable character, parenthesis start, its size will be 30, not null, and we take one more field is semester int, and then we will close this parenthesis and close the double quotation mark and semicolon. Then we can utilize one execute query statement for the execution of the create statement. For this purpose we can also use one inbuilt function, which name is mysql query. So we take another variable $result equal to mysqli underscore query, and parenthesis task, and we can pass 2 parameters. First one is for connection $con, and for we have store your query in $SQL, and then parenthesis close and semicolon. Again we can check your table is created or not. For this purpose we can use boolean condition if result $result parenthesis close curly braces open, then echo table created and semicolon and curly braces close, else table not created. Then we can drop the connection. For this purpose we can utilize $con.close. इससे क्या होगा कि आपका एक टेबल क्रिएट हो जाएगा प्रोग्राम के थ्रू। अब इसी टेबल में आपको क्या करना है, वैल्यू को इंसर्ट करना है। तो कैसे करेंगे इसको हम लोग नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में देखेंगे। थैंक यू, हैव ए नाइस डे।